Did you know that you can actually grow a lemon tree from a banana? Sounds quite surprising, doesn't it? But yes, it's entirely possible. This unusual combination of lemons and bananas is not only intriguing but also a marvel of gardening science. You see, lemons and bananas, though seemingly disparate, share a unique relationship in the world of botany. The high potassium content of bananas aids the growth and development of lemon seeds. Bananas act as a natural fertilizer, providing essential nutrients to the lemon seeds, thus creating a symbiotic relationship. Banana peels specifically are a powerhouse of nutrients, and when used in the right way, can foster the growth of a healthy lemon tree. This fascinating blend of citrus and tropical fruits results in a gardening experiment that's not just fun but also sustainable. So how can you make this happen? Stick around and you'll learn the step-by-step process of making this lemon-banana magic happen. The secret behind growing lemons in bananas lies in the use of the lemon seed and the banana peel. The lemon seed and the banana peel play an integral role in this fascinating process. It all begins with the humble lemon seed. The seed carries the blueprint of the entire lemon tree within its tiny confines. It is the seed that germinates, breaks through the soil, and sprouts into a beautiful lemon sapling. But how does the banana peel come into play? The answer lies in the peel's rich nutrient content. The banana peel is a veritable treasure trove of essential nutrients that can boost the growth of the lemon seed. It is packed with potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, all of which are crucial for the healthy growth of any plant. Potassium is a vital nutrient that aids in the overall growth of the plant, supporting the development of its roots and helping it withstand stress. Phosphorus, on the other hand, stimulates the growth of the seed and promotes its early development. And let's not forget calcium, which strengthens the cellular structure of the plant and ensures its stability. Now imagine combining the potential of the lemon seed with the nutrient richness of the banana peel. The banana peel acts as a natural fertilizer, providing the seed with all the nutrients it needs to sprout and grow. As the peel decomposes, it releases these nutrients into the soil, enriching it and making it more conducive for the growth of the lemon seed. It's a symbiotic relationship of sorts. The lemon seed benefits from the nutrients of the banana peel, while the banana peel gets a new lease of life, repurposed into a natural, eco-friendly fertilizer. So it's not just about planting a lemon seed in a banana peel. It's about creating a nutrient-rich environment that allows the seed to grow and thrive. It's about harnessing the power of nature to create something truly extraordinary. Now you know why a banana peel is a lemon seed's best friend. Now it's time to prepare your lemon seeds. The journey from seed to sprout is an exciting one, and it all begins with selecting the freshest of lemon seeds. Why? Because fresh seeds have a higher germination rate, increasing your chances of growing a healthy lemon tree. To extract these seeds, cut a ripe lemon in half and gently remove them. Once you have the seeds, it's crucial to clean them properly. You might ask, why is cleaning so important? Well, the pulp surrounding the seed can inhibit germination, making it harder for your seed to sprout, so rinse the seeds under warm water until they're pulp-free. You can then pat them dry with a paper towel. Now keep these seeds moist by wrapping them in a damp paper towel and placing them in a plastic bag. This will help kickstart the germination process. With your lemon seeds ready, we can move on to the next step. Your banana peel plays a crucial role in this process. This humble fruit casing is about to become the nurturing home for your lemon seed. But first, we need to prepare it. Begin by rinsing the banana peel under cold running water. This will remove any residual fruit pulp and potential pesticides, ensuring a clean environment for your seed. Next, lay the peel flat and cut it into a rectangular shape. You'll want to make sure it's large enough to wrap snugly around your lemon seed. Now, it's time to soften the peel. This step is crucial as it makes the peel more flexible and receptive to the seed. Simply soak the cut peel in a bowl of lukewarm water for about 10 minutes. Once the peel is soft and pliable, pat it dry gently with a paper towel. With your banana peel prepared, you're all set to embark on your lemon growing journey. It's time to bring your lemon seed and banana peel together. Now, let's embark on this fascinating journey where a humble lemon seed meets its nurturing banana peel. The magic starts here. The process might seem simple, but it's in these small details that we create the foundation for our lemon banana plant. Firstly, pick up your prepared lemon seed. Hold it gently, realizing that within this tiny kernel lies the potential of a flourishing plant. Now, observe your banana peel. It's not just a vessel, but a nurturing bed that will cradle our little seed in its initial stages of life. Position the lemon seed on the banana peel. The placement is significant. It should be in the center where it can make the most of the nutrients. The seed shouldn't be too deep within the peel, but rather lie just beneath the surface. This will allow it to draw the necessary sustenance while also being able to breathe. Once your seed is in place, gently fold the banana peel over it. This is a crucial step. As you fold the peel, imagine tucking the seed into its bed. The peel should cover the seed entirely, but not smother it. There should still be room for the seed to breathe and grow. You might wonder why we're using a banana peel instead of soil. The answer lies in the banana peel's rich nutritional content. It provides the lemon seed with essential nutrients like potassium, which is vital for plant growth. So it's not just a bed, it's a nutrient-packed bed that gives the seed a head start in its growth journey. Remember, patience is key. It might take some time for the seed to sprout, but rest assured, it's absorbing all the goodness from the banana peel, preparing to burst forth in its own good time. And there you have it. The lemon seed is now snugly tucked into its banana peel bed. This is just the beginning of your journey into the world of lemon banana plants, so stay tuned and let's watch this little seed grow into a thriving plant. Growing lemons in bananas is not a set-it-and-forget-it process. It's a unique journey, a dance of nature that requires your active participation, a delicate balance of elements that, when done right, leads to a fruitful reward. It's time to learn how to care for your lemon banana plant. Firstly, watering. The lemon banana plant isn't a fan of soggy feet. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which is as unpleasant as it sounds. Instead, aim for consistently moist soil. Think of a well-wrung sponge. That's the level of dampness you're aiming for. Water your plant thoroughly, then wait. When the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch, that's your cue to water again. Now, let's talk about sunlight. Lemon banana plants love a good sunbath. They need 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. If you're growing your plant indoors, a south-facing window is an excellent spot. But be careful, while they love the sun, they don't enjoy extreme heat. If the leaves start to look a bit peaky, move your plant to a cooler spot. The signs of growth will be a sight for sore eyes. You'll first notice a tiny green shoot pushing through the soil. That's your baby plant saying hello to the world. Over time, it will grow taller, sprouting leaves that are a vibrant green. But remember, growth is a process. It won't happen overnight. Patience is your best friend in this journey. And while you're being patient, keep an eye out for any signs of trouble. Yellowing leaves could mean your plant is thirsty, while brown spots might suggest it's getting too much sun. Caring for a lemon banana plant is truly an exercise in balance. It's about understanding your plant's needs and responding accordingly. It's about nurturing a life, however small and seemingly insignificant. It's about having the patience to wait for nature to do its magic. With proper care and attention, you'll see your lemon banana plant thriving in no time. Growing lemons in bananas might sound strange, but as you've seen, it's a simple and fascinating process. We began by exploring the surprising connection between lemons and bananas, leading us to the unique interaction between lemon seeds and banana peels. We then moved on to preparing the lemon seeds, ensuring they were ripe and ready for planting, followed by the preparation of the banana peel, which serves as an unconventional but effective pot. The planting process was next, where we nestled the lemon seed into the banana peel, creating a unique and nutrient-rich environment for growth. Lastly, we went over the care regimen for your lemon banana plant, emphasizing the importance of regular watering and ample sunlight. This journey we've taken together has shown us that with a bit of creativity and care, nature can surprise us in the most delightful ways. So why not give it a try? You might just find yourself with a flourishing lemon tree grown from a humble banana peel.
Hey there, amazing viewers! If you're enjoying this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. And don't forget to show your support by smashing that like button.